beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. So today's video is going to be very much informative and very much different than my past video. Absolutely not. It's going to be the same topic, that is the sunscreen. Yeah, so today I'm going to talk about sunscreen from a different brand, that is Lotus. And you must have seen from the title video that I am going to talk about 3 sunscreen from the same brand. Okay, and why I got these 3 sunscreen together and when I use which sunscreen at a time, I'm going to discuss in this video, so please keep watching. Okay, so first sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is Lotus Sun Safe UV Sunscreen Matte Gel, that is PA triple plus and SPF 50. Okay, now this is the first sunscreen that I'm going to talk about. This is absolutely a gel based sunscreen and a beautiful sunscreen that you can apply during the humid and daily basis. Usually when we travel to office or you go outside and it is very much humid and all, so you can apply this sunscreen. Also this works beautifully for normal to little bit on oilier side skin type. Okay, and if you see the consistency, as the name says, it is proper gel based. Okay, so you mix it and it just vanishes into your skin. It's like not even visible, but it gives you a nice little bit of shine on your face. Okay, but this goes away after a particular period of time. Okay, so this is the first sunscreen that I'm talking, and this you can use for your daily purpose when you're traveling. You are driving, you're going for office, you're going outside for little bit it's humid, nowadays it's rainy season, so you can use this sunscreen. This works beautiful. I have normal to dry skin, still I use this gel based sunscreen because India का climate कभी भी गर्मी हो सकती है. Okay, so next sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is 3-in-1 matte look sunscreen, that is a daily block. This is having PA triple plus and SPF 40. Okay, this says that it is having sun protection, skin lightening and mattifying effect. That's why it is known as 3-in-1 sunscreen. Okay, now Lotus, if you see, they are having beautiful range of sunscreen, from gel, mattifying, for oily skin, for dry skin. They have hell lot of sunscreen range, and they work really good for Indian skin types. Okay, so this sunscreen you can use. This is specifically for very much oily, acne prone skin type, where they have a little bit of acne or a moderate to high amount of acne, and their skin is very much oily. होता है ना ऐसे skin types यहाँ पे बहुत oil होता है. Okay, now I am having combination to dry skin, तो मैंने ये sunscreen क्यों खरीदा? Because you cannot predict India's climate. Okay, in Mumbai there is sometimes humid, कभी बारिश हो जाती है, ठंडा हो जाता है, वापस गर्मी हो जाती है. तो I feel that you should have a complete range and different types of sunscreens, but you shouldn't skip one. Okay, so I will show you why and when I use this. This is having a nice little brownish tint. Okay, and this gives you beautiful matte effect. Can you see? This one is the gel type, it is having a shiny effect, and this is giving you a matte effect. Okay, तो ये भी मैं लगाती हूँ. ये मैं तब लगाती हूँ जब भी मुझे घर पे रहना होता है, एंड घर पे हम हमेशा एसी में नहीं रहते, हमें किचन में जाना होता है, कुकिंग करनी होती है, तो बहुत स्वेट होता है फेस पे. ओके, नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन है फिर भी बहुत स्वेट होता है, तो आई अप्लाई दिस सनस्क्रीन ऑन माई फेस. बट again I am focusing, I do not skip my sunscreen. Okay, the third sunscreen is my favorite sunscreen. Okay, this is my little secret because this is all-in-one sunscreen. Now this is Lotus Sun Safe Daily Multi-Function Sunblock SPF 70. Okay, PA triple plus. Now this is a beautiful sunscreen, and this was lately launched by Lotus after their complete skincare, I mean sunscreen range, not skincare. And this sunscreen is my favorite sunscreen because it gives you moisturization, it protects you from sun, it gives you BB cream like effect, it can give you under eye concealer effect, and you don't need to apply even a compact. So this is a all purpose, my favorite sunscreen. Okay, now this is having beautiful tint. ओके, आपको लगेगा कि आप कोई बीबी क्रीम या फिर कोई फाउंडेशन लगा रहे हो, जबकि ये सनस्क्रीन है. सो व्हाट्स मोर देन दैट, आप एक चीज़ लगा रहे हो और आपको सबका बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. This actually hides your acne scars and small blemishes. Okay, don't expect this to give you a complete full coverage look, but you can apply this sunscreen when you're going for special meetings. आपको कहीं बाहर प्रेजेंटेबल दिखना है, यू हैव टू गो फॉर मीट समवन, किसी के घर पे जाना है या डे टाइम पार्टी है, हाउस मीटिंग्स है, तो आप ये सनस्क्रीन लगा सकते हो. अगर आपको लोड्स ऑफ मेकअप नहीं लगाना है, आपको पैची नहीं दिखना है, एंड दिस डजंट इवन आपको ग्रीसी फीलिंग नहीं देता है. सो दिस इज़ माई लिटिल सीक्रेट दैट आई यूजुअली अप्लाई. आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस, माई काजल एंड लिपस्टिक, एंड आई एम जस्ट रेडी टू गो आउटसाइड. Okay, so yeah, so these are the 3 sunscreens which I use. Okay, I would suggest you all to take different types of sunscreens because यूजुअली टेंडेंसी क्या होती है कि आज बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, आज हम सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाएंगे, या फिर आज ज़्यादा धूप नहीं, आज बारिश हो रही है तो आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाएंगे. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है, आपको 365 डेज सनस्क्रीन लगाना है. दिन हो रात को भी लगाने को डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट कहते हैं, बट मैं नहीं लगाती रात को इतना नहीं लगाना चाहिए, बट दे डू रिकमेंड यू बिकॉज हमारे ट्यूब लाइट्स लैपटॉप की लाइट से भी हमें सन नॉट सन बट यूवी रेज मिलते हैं. But I don't apply at night. So what I do is when I am going for office, okay, and I'm general routine day है, तो मैं ये जेल वाला लगाती हूँ, मैट जेल. ओके, जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ और मुझे बहुत गर्मी सी लग रही है, बहुत ह्यूमिड हो रहा है, तो मैं ये मैटिफाइंग इफेक्ट 3-in-1 वाला लगाती हूँ. ओके, और जब मुझे कोई मीटिंग में जाना होता है या प्रेजेंटेबल लगना होता है, इवन मूवीज़ में जाना होता है, सैटरडेज अर्ली मॉर्निंग मूवीज़, तो यू वांट टू लुक लिटिल गुड एंड ऑल, तो मैं ये लगाती हूँ. ओके, सो या, so these are the 3 sunscreen that I have brought and you should use them. You can use any sunscreen, but I would suggest कि आप please Lotus try करके देखो. This is an Indian brand and they have really focused on Indian skin type, तो ये हमारे skin के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा सूट करता है. ओके, सो इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर, एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय.